It's been a while since I did one of these, so I'm excited. Also a little, I guess, I don't want to say the word nervous, but I am now in Hawaii. I left Germany about a couple weeks ago, and I will say I sure do miss it. Maybe even a month now, and I just miss Europe in general, you know, everything about it. But I'm in Hawaii and it's summer year round here, so I will say I miss the snow. I won't miss the cold, but you know, everywhere you go it's different area, different scenery. So how do I say this? Just bear with me. By the way, the speed is went from going like as fast as you want on the Autobahn, even in the little streets, you know, you can go like, what, it was like the most is 100 kilometers, and that's 100 kilometers is 60 miles an hour. Here it's like the max is 25, you know, 30. I got it, you know, we're in the United States, so it's a little different, but yeah. And as with being in Germany, I know everyone's probably like, what is that on his head? Same here. I put it on and everyone's like, what is this guy wearing? Oh, okay, well, let's just say that I will make sure I go slow on that bump. That was the first time, but I rode over that bump in the 4Runner. I didn't do that, so yeah. Yep, everybody's like, what is that on his head? So the Wind Slayer, it's supposed to cut out the wind. I even have the GoPro in the wind mode, but I'm pretty sure you'll be able to hear it once I upload it. So how do I say this? I'm gonna roll up the windows here in a few. Just, I got done working out, so kind of cooling off a bit. And y'all saw my review on this that I did. You know, thanks to the owner again. I'm back in a Mark 7 GTI. This is my second one now. The first one was a base model, and it was just as nice, but it was a lease turn-in, so it shows that it was a lease turn-in. It started giving me problems, and you know, instead of spending the money to fix that, what I did was I just sold it and then got my Type R. So yeah. So now I am on the H2, which is the highway. Roll up the windows. AC on. Yeah, so the speed limit here, you want to go what it tells you, because you will get pulled over by the cops quick. They how do I say this? They sit in the corner, like right here on the side or over there on the side of it, when there's room, and they shoot you with a gun, and it's the speed gun. And granted, it's to eliminate speeders, but at the same time, it's like, man, you know. I was legit going, speed was 55, I was going 60. I thought he tagged me. Like, how do I say this? Is he put the gun, he holstered the speed gun, and then got on his bike, and apparently maybe he got the guy in front of me, but I thought he was coming for me, because as soon as I passed him, I was like, I got a ticket for 5 over. Now granted, 5 over is speeding technically, but you know, when you're in heavy traffic, it's like, I'm not sure if it's like, do they pick this guy or that guy, you know, because I got it, the tickets are for the state, you know, to make money. So hey, we all got to make our money somehow, but hey man, don't give me 5 over. Now 10 over, okay, I can see it. I will say I miss my driving gloves, so I was gonna wear my mechanics gloves, but nah, I wait till my my good old sparkle gloves gets here. So yeah. So I'm in the slow lane. Eventually I'll cross over, drive down that way a little bit. But yeah, can't beat the scenery out here. The food out here is amazing as well. Now, of course, if you don't watch what you eat, that comes with anything, not just food. Here, oh, what's going on here? Hopefully, maybe you just got over. Just, you know, I would have got over to the right. But yeah, the food over here though, oh man, it's good. But you eat a lot of that, you fall asleep right away, or catch yourself gain some weight. So, you know, like I missed the food in Europe. Oh man, that was some pretty hearty food, but I might have packed down a few pounds. So I've been hitting the gym pretty hard and just watching what I eat. Now I still eat what I want, but just not eat enough. You know, I try to limit like the portions. So hopefully this view is good. Hopefully I angled it right. By the time I put the thing back on, I have to, you know, aim it correctly. So one thing from driving in Europe to driving here, or just in Germany, because I know other countries, they don't follow the German rules, but okay, we'll just say Germany. If you're on the far left lane, which is the fast lane, semis cannot go on there, meaning on the Autobahn. Now, you know, I'm back in the States and I'm thinking like, oh crap, you know, they can't come in, and then, you know, I totally slipped my mind. Same with if somebody's behind me, right? I'll get over because, you know, they don't flash in the United States. It takes a little adjusting to get to. I thought I would have adjusted in North Carolina, but I didn't. But I will say though, over there, I got it. It's bigger, but over there you can go 75 on the highway. So now I just noticed that. I like that this has a digital gauge speedometer in the center, because I just checked my speed and I was going a little fast, so need to tone it down a bit. Wipe off this coke. I do need to wash Betty White, so this is Betty White number 2. I know I keep naming all my white cars Betty White, but you know, shout out to her. Oh no, I didn't name the Civic Lindsay Lohan. I guess I can name this Brittany. There's Brittany, bitch. 60 cam on them, nice. Gotta mount one of those too. So I sold mine, didn't need it anymore, and I gotta figure out how to you know, I'll probably mount mine back on, but find an area that I can use it. You know, I don't want to get pulled over for having it as you know, what's that ticket you get for you have something mounted and they'll call it like a, not the word obscene, but obstruction or something. I'm not sure. Maybe I can tell them that it's my antenna, like the Mini right here. Ah, perfect. I brought up Ho'opili, right? It's right here on the left. Real nice area, right? Houses though, like I said, you know, Hawaii, somebody's always gonna buy or rent, unless you're just selling it for a ridiculous amount of money. But 500,000 gets you a townhome, right? And 300 and below, maybe the cap is like 2 something, gets you a 1 bedroom, right? That's just, I got it. You know, when you're in the 48 states for 200,000 or 3 and 5 will get you a mansion, you know, semi mansion. 2 will get you a really nice 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom house, and then the 3 is awesome. So just, hey, so it's location. So But oh, y'all see this thing right here, right? This is the monorail, aka Honolulu Rail Transit System, right? It's not active yet. It's they're currently working out the bugs, so they've been testing it every so often, as y'all can see that I posted the shorts. But I'm going to end the video here now. I hope y'all liked it. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more as I upgrade this with, you know, I'm going to change a few things, make it mine, but for the most part, engine wise, it'll stay how it is. I don't really buy cars modded, but I look particularly who used to own the car and how it was meticulously maintained and taken care of. And thanks to the owner for keeping it, you know, not doing crazy stuff, you know, more so he just did spirited runs. And, you know, granted, when you have a car and you mod it, you don't want to, you know, get on it, but you're not going to want to, you know, you're not racing or anything, you know, that's where I'm getting at. And I like it because it's a very clean car, nice daily, and I've been eyeing this car for a while, even when I was still in Europe, because I knew I needed a daily, and I wanted something still fun. You know, I could have got like regular car, like a Civic or something, like, you know, another one. Not making fun of them because I had one, but what I'm saying is I could have got one and just been, you know, content with that. But you know, I want something that, you know, I'm still going to enjoy as well, because, you know, I'm a car guy, and you know, and one, nothing stays stock with me, but two, you know, I gotta have something, you know. Is it something I wanted? Yes, there was a list of other things too, but I am happy with my choice. But other than that, enough of the rambling. Thanks again. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch y'all next time. All right, y'all.